So hi everyone, I'm going to first introduce myself. So I'm Samuel Roberge from Saman. I'm the Technical and Professional Sales Director, and I'm here to introduce our MicroConcrete line. So we're going to talk about each of the product of the line, but let's start by the MicroConcrete by himself. So the MicroConcrete by himself, it's a real Portland cement. So that's bring the hardness, the durability inside the product. Normally when we work with concrete, we need some thickness, but the magic inside a powder is because we add polymer inside, we can apply it in really thin coat over anything who's stable. So the polymer is going to make sure that the adhesion is going to be really good and make sure that the bonding with the MicroConcrete is going to be hard enough to be applied in really thin coat. Other thing that we add inside of the powder by himself, it's the glass beans, so recycled glass bean. It's proven that when we put glass inside the concrete, the hardness is better. But for us, the fact that we put glass inside of it help us to ease the weight that we're gonna work with the product. So glass make us easier to apply the right amount over the substrate. So with the glass, we're gonna apply it. We're gonna make sure that we're gonna have the right amount, not too much, just a thin layer. So the MicroConcrete came with 7 colors. We have a white one, a beige, 3 kind of gray, a black and a brown. And the beauty of that is we can mix it all together. So we can create an infinite possibility of color. So everything is inside the bag is already premixed. So we can only use the quantity that we need and the product is still good. So we don't have to add pigment and everything. Everything is already inside the powder. We have 3 sizes. The simple one is just some kind of tryout. You want to make sure that you love the texture, the concrete and everything. So you can only, but those kind of format is going to be easier. And if you want to work with blends and everything, it's really good to try out with little sample. You buy 2 of them, mix it together with the ratio and everything, and you can create your own color for that. After that, we got a bag, 3.5 kilo. We're going to do about 35 square feet for a layer with a bag. And we have the pail. So depending on the project that we need, the pail is the one is more economical because of the quantity inside. And we're gonna do about 180 square feet with a pail with 1 layer. So this is the powder and the color that we can achieve. But beside that, we also have a couple of liquid with the MicroConcrete. First of all is the surface prep. The surface prep is the cleaner that we're gonna use before applying MicroConcrete, just to make sure that the surface that we're gonna work on is really clean, that the adhesion is gonna be really good. After that, we got our 2 sealer, 2 format 2, so in gallon and in 1 liter like that. We have the gloss finish and also have the matte finish. So both of them gonna give you a really nice protection, water repellent protection, but they can use different ways. So they can use it in the same project, but depending on the resistance and the gloss that we need, we're gonna choose one of them. So with that, we have our applicator. So we got 6 inches, 10 inches, really nice tool to work with all our liquid, even the surface prep, the sealer, it's working really nice. And for the MicroConcrete, we also have a trowel, flexible trowel. We got 2 sizes, 11 inches, 14 inches. Beauty of that is the flexibility of the blade. Really, it's gonna be really easier to work with our MicroConcrete, do smooth finish with those kind of trowel. So to help you with your project, you can go to the Finitec website, and there you're gonna find a lot of things. First of all, technical sheet, guideline for all your project. Let's say on floor, tile, shower, and those kind of things. So you have everything inside our website, and there's more over there. So if you want some inspiration about MicroConcrete, you can go there, see some project that's already made, some video, and you're gonna have a lot of things over there. You can also download all our color texture directly to your project. So go to the website.